Hello, everybody. 8/16/26 on Sunday. I want to talk about what I'm seeing in the market and for the coming week. So, the SPY has run for me a large way, displayed by this delta here. What I'm seeing is that we hit resistance once, hit resistance twice. I see a level of resistance up here. My hypothesis is the market's either going to do one of two things, possibly go sideways or hit its head and come back down. Time will tell. We see this area of consolidation, and this area of consolidation, PPO looks good. I'm watching out for 785 resistance level. So let's see what happens. QQQ, I see the same thing. We had resistance, had a long run up, beautiful delta. Now we're in consolidation mode. You see here that the price action dipped below it, which indicates another strategy to make money as it goes down, but then found its support and bounced right back up and started going right back into the box again. And we have two sets of resistance. One resistance at 748, which is here, and the other resistance, if we break through that, another resistance at 761. So I'm not really thinking that this market's going to run and run and run up. I think it's going to hit its head, come back down because of this long delta that we've already had. The PPO looks good, but this long period of consolidation is where I'm very leery of putting on large positions. So this, I think, is a very important slide. In the next couple slides, what I'm seeing here is that here is SanDisk, and here's how I like to look at the market. Is that if we picture it, analogy as a surfer, you see the movement from a basing pattern up to stage. So we had a stage 1 setup. Now we have a stage 2 setup, stage 3 distribution, and a stage 4 give back. So we're getting on into the stock with all this momentum right here. Now we consolidate. We're waiting for the breakthrough up or down. It went up, had consolidation, more consolidation, third consolidation. So you're writing all this kinetic energy, if you will, up, up, up until we start seeing a new lower low or a break in the consolidation. We didn't see it here, went up, here it went up, here it went up, here it broke. So now we wrote all this. It was from January of this year all the way to July. Let's not be too greedy. Let's lock in profits. Then we use a switch strategies, make money as it goes down. Now switch strategies, what's going on? It's a new wave potentially forming, a new potential kinetic energy wave. That's what's happening here. SanDisk, up, consolidation, went down. Now it's popping back up. PPO looks primed. One more thing I really want to touch on quickly, why I like SanDisk, why I like it, why Warren Buffett likes it, for example, quarter on quarter on quarter growth. Fantastic. Here's the main catalyst. Earnings came, positive catalyst, boom, here comes the earnings, here comes the new uplift. So I'm using multiple chart patterns to confirm a potential trade, multiple indicators like PPO to ensure the potential for success, fundamentals to examine the quarter-on-quarter data. If there is a news negative catalyst and the trade falls apart, one uses risk management, how to react. Lock in profits, preservation of capital is our number one job. If you like this presentation, please like and subscribe.